everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruby and welcome to a brand new video for me. So in today's video we're going to be creating this very Parisian style makeup look. I was really inspired by Emily in Paris and just some other makeup tutorials that I've been seeing here on YouTube where they kind of show you that French style of makeup, which is like a lot less minimal, a lot more skin looking, and just enhancing your features without doing too much. I feel like this is a very beginners friendly makeup tutorial and I really hope that you guys enjoy the video. If you do, please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing with a friend. It really would help me out a lot and mean so much to me. And with that, you guys, let's just get into the video. Okay, so I'm starting off with my brows already done and my eyes prepped with MAC Paint Pot and Painterly, and I'm going in with the ColourPop Blush Crush palette. I'm first going to go into the shade Cheek to Cheek and blend that all into my crease. I want this to be a super light wash. I don't want my crease defined or anything. I just want a little bit of color there. So I'm going in super light-handed with a really fluffy brush. So you'll see there's not a lot of pigment that comes off. Next, I'm going to go into the shade How Rogue. This is a beautiful matte with just a few glitter flecks in it. I feel like this is like the perfect understated eyeshadow for a Parisian French look. They do try to keep everything really soft and light, and I feel like this shade and the effect that it gives is like perfect for that kind of, I didn't try too hard but I did try a little bit look. And I really like how this kind of shadow catches the light because you can't really tell. And then now I'm going to go into the shade Blush Wine, and I'm going in with a really flat brush and just kind of lining my top lash line with it and winging it out just slightly. You're not going to see a lot, but it just kind of helps with a little bit of the definition of the lashes because I'm not going to go in with liner or anything. Just this really soft liner moment. Now I'm going to go in with mascara. I'm going in with the Pat McGrath Labs. This is a Fetish Eyes mascara. This is a black mascara. If you do have a black brown mascara, I would suggest that just to keep the look, again, really soft. But this is what I had on hand, so that's what I am using. Just to coat my top lashes, I'm not going to put any mascara on my lower lashes. Now I'm going into my face. I've already moisturized and primed, so now I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in the shade Honey underneath of my eyes. Let that get tacky for a bit and go in and cream contour with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C14 around the perimeters of my face. I am going to go in with these two products first before foundation because to keep the look soft, I feel like if you do this underneath foundation, it keeps it really soft while still maintaining that highlighted and cream contoured effect. And one thing I do want to note while I'm doing my nose is you want to avoid the middle of your nose as much as possible. That's kind of the French tip I've been seeing about making it look like you're not wearing too much makeup, is by keeping your nose blank. Now I'm going to go in and blend out that cream contour, and yeah, just blend it again up into your cheekbones, into your hairline. And then when you blend out your nose, you just want to go in with a smaller brush to get the precision you want. And again, to avoid any product going onto the nose. I do get a little bit on my nose, you'll see here. I'm just going to wipe that away with my finger. But you, again, just want to keep the center of your nose as clean from product as possible. So here I am just cleaning off any product I got onto my nose. I am going to pat in that under eye concealer with a brush. I feel like this just helps keep the most opacity. If you don't have really dark under eyes, you don't have to do this step. I just have really pigmented under eyes, so I really wanted to do this to make sure that I got them covered. I'm also going to use this concealer to lift my face a little bit, so that's why I'm blending it pretty high up into my temples. And you're going to see I'm going to try and conceal that pimple with this concealer as well. But you can see, like, if you let this concealer get tacky, it has a lot of coverage actually. Now I'm going in with the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Foundation in the shade 228 Soft Tan. I work that into my hand first with a brush, and then with whatever product I have. I'm going to first start off where I don't have any cream contour or highlight, and then start using this to buff in those two products to mesh it into the skin. To do this step, you do want to go in with like a light coverage foundation. So whether it's this Maybelline one, the Pat McGrath one is also another one of my favorites, or the new Luminous Silk one I just got. Just something really lightweight where it won't add too much coverage, so otherwise you'll lose the cream contour highlight you did under your skin. But see here, you can see it's really soft. It's not super noticeable, but you can see everything peeping through the foundation. If you can avoid powder, try to do so. I do have really oily skin, so I am going to powder down lightly with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 310 Sun Beige. I'm going to use this also to underneath my eyes because I don't want, again, a super highlighted under eye. I just want to make everything mesh. Now I'm going in with blush. Liquid blush is perfect for a French style makeup. I'm going in with Rare Beauty's Love Liquid Blush. I'm just going to blend that out. I feel like it gives you the perfect amount of flush. Back into the Blush Crush palette and that blush wine shade, I'm gonna go in and just do the first 2/3 or the outer 2/3 of my under eye. I'm not gonna put anything on the first third. I feel like it'll keep your eyes really open while still defining your lower lash line, and that's all I'm doing to the lower lash line. Now I'm going to go in and liquid highlight. I'm going in with a ColourPop liquid highlighter in the shade Champagne Bubbles. I'm basically working that into my palm, warming it up, and then just applying it only to the tops of my cheekbones. I feel like this really does give the effect of like lit from within, super just healthy skin. Now going in with a oldie but honestly a great lipstick. This is MAC's matte lipstick in Diva. I do have a lip oil on. I'm not going to wipe that off, and I'm just going to blot this, kind of dot it all over my lip and blend it to keep it like really soft. And then I'm going to blot it onto my top lip and then just use my fingers to blend out the shade. You can keep it just like this for a really soft, like almost like bitten look where it's very soft, kind of natural looking lip color. Or what I'm gonna do is go ahead and define my lips with that same lipstick. I'm not going in with the lip liner. I'm just gonna be really precise with the lipstick and define my lips just so you can see it more. And as I'm defining, it's gonna get a little darker, but you can see the way I'm applying it, it doesn't come off as dark as it is in the actual lipstick container. Now I'm going to go in onto the pimples that I have with a brown eye pencil. This is from LA Girl. I'm just going to cover them with the brown pencil just to give them the effect of beauty marks. And then once I have that brown pencil on, I'm going to dab it out with my finger just to help blend it into the skin so it doesn't just look like a brown dot on my face. Okay guys, and there you have it. This is my take on a Parisian style holiday makeup look. I really enjoyed creating this. I feel like, honestly, like this is the vibe that I thought 2020 was going to go into. A little bit more of like a no makeup look where you do have makeup on, but everything just looks and feels really natural. Like I honestly don't feel like I have anything on my face. It feels very light, very fresh. My skin in the mirror just looks super dewy, like super just like healthy and glowy, and I really like it. And I feel like it enhances all the features, hides kind of like some of your flaws, but like again, like it's skin, so it still looks like skin, like with some things peeping through. And I just love like the soft touch of the look. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup look. Let me know if you have any other requests in the comment section down below or on Instagram. It is @RabsBeauty. With that, you guys, I really hope that you have a wonderful, beautiful day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!